Exercise 6.2, problem 9, division 2, discussion. It's the same problem, and like D is parallel to BC in the given figure, and AD by BD equal to 3 by 5, and we are asked to calculate the area of the trapezium BCED divided by triangle ABC. Like earlier, we were asked to find the ratio of this triangle, the smaller triangle AD divided by triangle ABC. But this time they are asking us to find the area of this trapezium divided by the area of the total triangle. Okay, so that's all it is here. We'll have to do very similarly, but only thing towards the end we'll have to modify or manipulate the fraction using compound dividend rule. Okay, right. Anyway, I'll tell you when it comes there. So key is we'll have to show that these two triangles are similar, the smaller one, the bigger one. That will be the first step, and for that we'll have to use this given information that DE is parallel to BC. So given DE is parallel to BC, AD by BD equal to 3 by 5, and we are asked to calculate area of this, the ratio of area of the trapezium divided by area of the triangle ABC. The formula, the hint, is the same for similar triangles. Ratio of the area of the triangles is equal to ratio of the corresponding sides, the square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. Okay, so next step. So, which means here is area of the triangle ADE divided by area of the triangle ABC. So, these are the two triangles similar, right? So, the area of the smaller triangle ADE divided by area of the bigger triangle ABC equal to length of one side of triangle ADE, that is AD, divided by length of the corresponding sides, that is AB, okay, the whole square. Now, the same rule when it's extended, all you need to do is the numerator minus the denominator divided by the denominator equal to apply the same thing over here. So apply it, you'll be able to get it. Now area of the triangle minus area of the triangle ADE divided by area of the triangle ABC will be equal to some value. Okay, you have to do the same for the right hand side, which we will do it in the solution. But what is the left hand side? Area of the triangle ABC minus area of the triangle ADE. What is that? Area of the triangle ABC minus area of the triangle ADE. What is that? That is nothing but this trapezium, right? So the left hand side is nothing but the numerator of this equation is area of the trapezium divided by area of the triangle ABC. This is the compound dividend rule. So when you do this to this part, so when you do this to the left hand side, we get this, right? You'll have to do the same for the right hand side and you'll be able to get the value. Let me repeat. So as per the formula, the ratio of the triangles, area of the triangles is ratio of the corresponding side square, right? So area of the smaller triangle ADE divided by ratio area of the triangle ABC equal to length of one side ADE divided by length of the corresponding side ABC whole square. Now you apply the compound rule here. See, area of the triangle ABC minus area of the triangle ADE divided by area of the triangle ABC will be equal to, apply the same rule here, you will be able to get the value. But what is this? This is nothing but triangle ABC minus triangle this equal to this area, that is area of the trapezium which we want. Okay, so leave it here. When we come to the solution, it will become more clear. Right, now step 1, you have to show the two triangles are similar, right? That is the first step. How will you show that? Using this point, DE is parallel to BC and angle A is common to both the triangles, right? Next, using AD by BD, calculate AD by BD, calculate AD by AB by compounder rule, as we did in the previous case, right? Next, calculate area of ADE using the similarity triangle property, right? What does the similarity property say? The ratio of the area of the triangles is the square of the ratio of the corresponding side. So AD by DB we calculated in step 2. So using that, you'll be able to calculate this value. Next, calculate area of the trapezium BCED by area of the triangle ABC using that dividend compounder rule. So as I was telling you earlier, so this actually, what is this? This is what we want to calculate, right? But take it from this equation, right? This equation. So this will be area of the triangle ABC minus area of the triangle ADE will be equal to by area of the triangle ABC. What is this? This is the area of the trapezium. So you'll have to apply the compound or dividend rule for this fraction. You'll be able to get it. Okay, I'll show it in the solution. Don't need to worry about it. Okay, so I think that's all about. So let's get going to the solution. Right. So in the triangle ABC and triangle ADE, angle A is common and DE is parallel to BC. Okay, you can see that ADE and AB and C, angle A is common. Then DE is parallel to BC. So which means this angle and this angle are equal. Am I right? These two are corresponding. So these two are. So these two triangles, smaller triangle and the bigger triangle, you get this angle is common and this angle is equal to this angle. So which means by AA criteria, these two triangles are similar to each other. Right? So that step is done. Now, when they are similar, you know, area of their triangle, the ratio of the area of the triangles is ratio of the corresponding sides, the square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. Therefore, area of the smaller triangle divided by area of the bigger triangle is AD by AB the whole square. We know AD by BD equal to 3 by 5. By compound, you know, AD by AD plus BD will be equal to 3 by 3 plus 5. Which I showed you in the first 9.1, right? I showed that. So that is AD divided by AD plus BD, which is AB, equal to 3 divided by 3 plus 5. That's 3 by 8. Now you have the value of AD by AB. We can also do something like this. AD by BD, you can take it as this is a ratio, right? So if you want to get it as a number, you have to make it 3K by 5K and get the values also. That is another way of doing, which I will do it in the second version. Okay, I'll show you both the ways. Now, area of the triangle ADE by area triangle ABC by similarity triangle property is the ratio of the corresponding side square. So it is 3 by 8, the whole square is 9 by 64. Now, come to this compounder rule. So let's say 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 4. Applying this, so denominator minus numerator divided by denominator. Let me repeat, apply the rule, denominator minus numerator by denominator. What will you get? You will get 2, so 2 is in your denominator, right? 2 minus 1 divided by 2 will be equal to, on the right side apply the same, 4 minus 2 by 4. 4 minus 2 by 4. See whether they are equal. 2 minus 1 is 1 half. And this is 4 minus 2 by 2 is 2 by 4. So it comes the same fraction. So by doing that rule, we are not changing the equation. By that rule, we are not changing the equation. The equation is the same. It's just a manipulation. So going by that, so what will happen? Area, this fraction, now you have to take this fraction equal to this fraction. Okay. So apply that rule. Area of the triangle ABC minus area of the triangle ADE. Correct? That's what I wrote in the numerator. Divided by area of triangle ABC. Now what will be equal to? Denominator, what did we do? Denominator minus numerator divided by denominator. Applying the same here, what will you get? So you will get, that is 64 minus 9 divided by 64. So that is 55 by 64. Therefore, area of the trapezium divided by area of the triangle ABC is 55 by 64. Okay. Anyway, alternate is you can take this AD by BD as 3K by 5K. And so if this AD is 3K and this is 5K, the ratio is 3:5. The ratio is 3:5. That's the important thing, right? So what will be AB? AB will be 3K plus 5K. That will be 8K, right? So AD by AB will be 8K. So that way we can calculate. Then calculate the area of the triangle ADE. Then calculate the area of the triangle ABC. Subtract it. You'll get the area of the triangle ABC. The trapezium BCED. Right? That way also you can do. But I think this is little simpler, but maybe it's difficult to understand. I'll change it in the next version. Okay, but I hope I made it clear here. Thanks for watching this video.